Hey everybody, here we are at the fire pit, and I was hoping Big Puppy and Daddy Duke, maybe some of the other puppies, were going to start playing for us this morning. Hi Casey. Casey's got her ball. There's Daddy Duke and Mommy Aaliyah over there with Big Puppy. Usually they will rumble around this fire pit in the morning getting their exercise and playtime in. Yeah? You're not going to do no running? There's our little Miss White Ribbon. Hi, little Miss White Ribbon. Too close. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Round and round they'll go. And she hides under the chair. Nice. And yeah, roust her out from there. Alrighty. Yeah. Who's that barking? It's not little Miss White Ribbon. She's a barker, but she's right here. Who is that? Is that Big Puppy? Who's barking over there? That's my pretty lime green ribbon boy right there. Hi, Mr. Lime Green Ribbon. That's not a good look for Airedales. Thank you. There she goes. From chair to chair. There's our Mr. Purple Ribbon. Is that you making all that noise, Mr. Purple Ribbon? What are you doing over there? Huh? What are you doing? Duke? You're letting her know you want to play. Yeah? You can see why nap time is 10 o'clock around here. Well, it's about 8 o'clock this morning, and they'll be out here rumbling for a while. Alrighty, well. Doggone it. Look at Duke. He's like, come on out of there. Come on out of there, I'll play with you. Big Puppy's like, no. Big Puppy. Big Puppy. Here, Puppy. Come on, Pup. There you go. Chair to chair. He's like, no. Big Puppy. What are you doing up there, Mr. Purple? There she goes. Dude, don't be rough with her. Thank you. I'm not being rough. I just want her to come out here so I can chase her some more. Well, that's Purple Ribbon making that noise. That's Purple Ribbon. He's trying to get her out of there too. He's helping out. Helping out his mommy. Over here we got Mr. Blue Ribbon. Hi, Mr. Blue Ribbon. How are you? Hi, Mr. Pink Ribbon. Hi, Mr. Green Ribbon. Hi, little Miss White Ribbon. Hi, Miss Yellow Ribbon. Mr. Yellow Ribbon. Hi, 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 hi. So, playtime. Big Puppy, you coming out of there? Come on, Big Puppy. Like, you missed it when I was running around here 10 minutes ago. I'm a little tired now. Alrighty. Well, take some photos, upload this video. Who wants to be my thumbnail? Anybody? Huh? Oh my, that's my camera case you've got there. Hello? How did that fall out of my pocket? Thank you for finding that for me. Appreciate that. Run, pup. Yeah, thank you for finding that for me, Mr. Blue Ribbon. You can just look at him and tell he's thinking. Yeah. It's almost nap time, it looks like, for a few of them. They're settling in. It's a cool day here, overcast, so they don't need to be on the porch this morning to rest and relax. Over here in the sand pit. Hi, Mr. Yellow Ribbon. You're like, I'm not quite ready to go to bed yet. Come on, who wants to play? Yeah? Alrighty. Well, you can see they're settling in. Big puppy, you got one more burst in you? No? Well, don't go over there and start trying to dominate your younger pack mates. Alrighty, well anyhow, talk to you guys later. Let me know if you want to see anything in particular. Yeah, go ahead and dig another hole. Why not? It's not like we don't already have several excavations going on out here. Well, if you guys have an opportunity to build your Airedales a little sand pit area, they will thank you forever. They love coming out here. I had them bring in 20 tons of sand and dump it here, so you know, it's probably a good 8 or 10 inches deep. Most of the places. A little less deep up there in the corner. Over there where Mr. Duke is digging him a hole. Pretty deep over there. Well, anyhow, alrighty. Talk to you then. Bye-bye.